We're here at the Kompetenzzentrum in near Lake Constance, and I'm a master's student at the University of Hohenheim at the moment. I investigate the release of a predatory mite, Amblyseius andersoni, in the field, so in the apple orchards. And I also try to establish the population of the predatory mite with extra feeding, with a Koppert product, and to prevent them from starving if there's not enough pest mites and not enough food for them.
Our research basically aims at helping the farmers here in the region. So the general region is in southern Germany, the Lake Constance region. We have about 8,000 hectares of fruit growing. It is one of the main fruit growing areas in Europe. So we had this idea of trying a greenhouse solution on a pest we have here in the apple plantation. And my colleague just went ahead, and I think he just reached out to Koppert. Somehow he reached Julia, and Julia said, okay, sure, let's try it. And I had all these kinds of ideas of how to control other pests. And yeah, Koppert basically, or in this case Julia, they're very cooperative. All kinds of ideas, she will support us, she will give us all the material we need. We'll talk about the results, we'll talk about how to do the trial. Right now we're in the first years of using these solutions that are working in the greenhouse here in open field trials.
But with the extra feeding, we have seen quite a bit of a decline in the pest mites.
There's so many factors involved. Suddenly you have a big storm, suddenly you have 40 degrees in the plantation. Of course, all insects will be affected by that. Seeing results that are significant is then always a big joy for me when I look into the statistics, see it actually did something.
How do you see the future of crop protection in outdoor crops?
Challenging, especially in fruit growing where you have an intense usage of pesticides. Changing that or reducing that is very challenging. But the future with the biological control to use that is very interesting.